Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can wake your Google Assistant with the help of tapping or long press home screen button to open Google Assistant in your OnePlus device. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to click on settings, go to additional settings. Here it is system navigation, and here it is wake Google Assistant with home button. Hold down the home button to wake Google Assistant. If you enable this and press back, you have to long press your home screen button and you can see Google Assistant is now open. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.